Hey guys, welcome back to the shop, and this is kind of a spontaneous video, so the lighting's bad. I got this bike at Goodwill, so right now I fixed the front brake, I greased up the gears, and I'm gonna do a paint job with just black spray paint. Don't overthink it. People just are always getting into like shining it and stuff. Just like, okay, just get the spray paint and just paint the thing. Okay guys, it's raining outside and my garage is like a mess full of all this different weird crap I'm working on and bikes from my family and stuff. So basically, sanded the whole frame down. I taped off everything that was chrome. I painted it. Now I'm just pulling all the tape off and seeing what spots I have to touch up. Okay, so as you can see, it's fully painted. It looks so good. It looks terrible. Everybody goes all out with this, and like, I mean, in general, with stuff that people paint, they just like go crazy and try to do all these crazy stuff. But like, as you can see, I'll show you later when it's in the light, but like, it looks fine. And all I did is I used this, it's literally 2X, what is this? Yeah, just Rustoleum, like, standard paint, and dude, it looks sick. I'll show you guys in the light when I have it all finished. But yeah, just go to your standard like Ace Hardware and just get some paint. As you guys can see, it's a new day because I tried to film the last part of the video and it just got way too dark and it was so rainy and stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this inspired you to do a paint job on your bike. And if you didn't learn anything, I hope you liked the video. Like it, subscribe, turn on notifications, like it again, and I'll see y'all next time.